I tell you what, I'm going to give you one final test. Ready? Here we go. Wow. Well, normally I would decide, but last week I got punched by a fourth grader, and I don't know if I want to decide. I tell you what, you sir, you had your back to everybody. Now I want you to make an honest call. Look that way. Okay. You guys say it. Tell them honestly, who wins? A Pirates Eye for me wins! All right, then. All right, here we go. You get to give them the big neener. Here we go. Take your fingers, splay the fingers thusly. Put the thumb up to your proboscis like this. Look at the other side.